On January 20th, 2025, Donald Trump was inaugurated as the 47th President of the United States. His speech was a chilling blend of nationalist fervor and authoritarian promises. Trump painted a picture of national decline, positioning himself as the savior to restore America's glory. He scapegoated immigrants and minorities, echoing historical fascist rhetoric. Trump promised to enforce traditional values, rejecting modern understandings of gender and sexuality. His speech was filled with conspiracy theories, portraying a corrupt establishment as the enemy. Trump appealed to the frustrated middle class with promises of economic revival, using simple, repetitive language to convey his message. His policy proposals, including declaring a national emergency at the southern border and ending environmental protections, signaled a significant erosion of democratic norms. During Trump's inauguration rally, tech billionaire Elon Musk made a gesture that sparked controversy. Musk tapped the left side of his chest with his right hand and extended his arm with an open palm, a gesture many interpreted as a Nazi salute. Historians like Claire Aubin and Ruth Ben-Ghiat viewed it as a deliberate fascist symbol. However, others, including the Anti-Defamation League, argued it was a misunderstanding, attributing it to Musk's social awkwardness. Regardless of intent, the gesture was enthusiastically received by far-right groups, raising concerns about the normalization of fascist symbolism in American politics. This incident, coupled with Trump's rhetoric, has fueled fears of a growing fascist influence in the United States, highlighting the need for vigilance against authoritarianism. The combination of Trump's speech and Musk's gesture paints a disturbing picture of America's political landscape. Trump's extreme nationalism, xenophobia, and cult of personality are reminiscent of historical fascist regimes. His promises to suppress dissent and militarize society further align with fascist tendencies. The presence of tech CEOs like Musk at the inauguration suggests a dangerous corporate-state alliance. Trump's rejection of international cooperation and erosion of democratic norms through executive orders signal a retreat from global engagement. The controversy surrounding Musk's gesture underscores the creeping normalization of fascist symbolism. As America faces this new era, it is crucial to resist the erosion of democratic institutions and work towards a just and equitable society for all. Be strong, brave, and steadfast in defending democracy.